Health and safety. We place health and safety as first priority in all of our operations, no matter the size or location of the job. Wet concrete can be dangerous to work with, and because of this, there are a number of different precautions that you must take before the operative arrives on site for delivery. If concrete comes into contact with skin or the eyes, it can cause serious burns or allergic reactions in some people. Therefore, it's important to wear suitable clothing to avoid any direct contact. Protective clothing, including impervious gloves, long sleeves, eye protection and strong boots, should be worn when handling any concrete, mortar or screed. If any concrete comes into contact with the skin, it's important to wash immediately with plenty of water. In the event of contact with the eyes, you must also wash with water and seek urgent medical attention. As with any operation involving heavy equipment and lifting, there is always a risk of potential accidents. Please exercise caution throughout the whole process and make sure that you understand any risks that may be presented. If you have any questions or concerns, our team will be more than happy to advise you.